Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a wall makeover. My client is opening up a spa and she's getting ready for her grand opening. So I'm so excited for her. So the first thing I decided to do is to go in with a fresh coat of paint to brighten up the space. And then I'm going to install some wallpaper, as you guys can see now, because you know your girl is the wallpaper queen. So I wanted to do something that was going to stand out and just be a vibe in this space. This is going to be her Yoni steam room, so I wanted it to be inviting. So stay tuned to see the final results. So right now I'm just going in to make sure the wallpaper is lined up properly. That is a major key when installing wallpaper, because if you do not do this step properly, then you will be able to see where the wallpaper starts and stops. And a lot of times, you know, if you see wallpaper and you can see the lines, that is definitely not what we want, and it's going to look like a bad installation. So that is what I'm doing. It's very important. If you make sure that everything is lined up correctly, you will be good to go. Another thing you may notice while I'm installing the wallpaper, that when I start from the top and go down to the bottom, the space in between gets bigger. A lot of times most walls are uneven, and that's just due to the construction of the wall. But once you get down further, you just start moving the wallpaper in closer and closer, and you should be fine. I just suggest not pasting it 100% like tight up top, just in case you need to lift it back up to move it over some. So now I'm just going in to remove the excess wallpaper from the bottom, and I'm going in with a razor so that way I can be a smooth, even cut straight across. Here's the final look, guys. My client absolutely loves it, and that just warms my heart because that's what I do it for. So if you guys are loving it as well, make sure you comment it down below and let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in getting an installation, you can book at royaltyinteriordesigns.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you and see you soon.